Hello everyone. Update about this super typhoon Pipito. It is now approaching to the central Luzon area, and they say that it has a maximum wind of 185 kilometers per hour, up to 200. So we need to be careful, everyone, because it was expected to landfall early this evening. So now it is starting to rain. And the winds also starting to blow. Look at that, my friends. Since yesterday there's no rain, only a little bit of shower, but now it's getting stronger, the rain, and with the wind as well. So we need to be careful, everyone, and let's pray. Let's pray all together that the Lord will take care each and every Filipino, because we suffer a lot of typhoon already. With just a few weeks, there's a lot of typhoon already arrived here in the Philippines. So we need to pray, join together, so God will control this kind of situation. So my friends, be careful, be ready, and be watchful, of course, and please don't forget to pray, and let's unite all together to pray, because we have suffered a lot. Can you imagine, in just a few weeks, 5 typhoons or 4: Christine, Marcy, Opel, and now Pipito. So it's a lot of typhoon already. We suffered a lot. So let's pray all together, my friends, and be careful, everyone. Okay.
Ayan po mga kaibigan, nag-uumpisa na po ang hangin na dala ni Typhoon na Pipito dito sa aming area ng Calabarzon, mga kaibigan. Kaya ingat, dahil ngayon pa lang paparating si Bagyong Pipito dito sa Central Luzon kasama ang Calabarzon. At umuulan po, pero mahina po ang ulan. Ang hangin, minsan malakas ang bugso. Kaya medyo kailangan mag-iingat tayo dahil mukhang malakas nga itong bagyong paparating, mga kaibigan. Ayan, nag-umpisa na po umihip ang hangin. Minsan malakas, minsan mahina. Pabugso-bugso po, mga kaibigan. Ingat-ingat po, lalo na yung mga nasa low-lying areas. Dito, lalo na sa may bandang Bacoor, sa Puti, dahil madalas nalulubog po yan sa baha. Ever since yesterday, mga kaibigan, medyo maganda ang panahon, makulimlim lang, walang ulan. Pero ngayon, nag-uumpisa na po umambon at humahangin-hangin na rin po dito sa area ng Calabarzon. Kasi ang sabi sa balita, ngayon pa lang parating, ngayong hapon. Kasi kasalukuyan siyang naglalakbay na. Nasa nasa Pulilio Islands, Quezon, Isabela, Pangasinan, La Union. Papunta na po ngayon dito sa Central Luzon. Kaya ingat-ingat po. Sana nga po magsama-sama po tayo, manalangin na wag nang lumakas. Kasi sobra-sobra na po ang pinsala na dala nitong mga sunod-sunod na bagyo dito sa atin sa bansang Pilipinas. Kawawa naman ang ating mga kababayan. Over na.